to the left and you move to the right.
Okay. I'll count up to 3. All right? You go anywhere you like, okay?
Okay.
Right. 1, 2, 3.
I'll count to 3 and go anywhere you like. 1, 2, 3. Not working.
No, is it?
Look, I know. I'll count to 3. I'll stay where I am and you move.
Which way?
Well, it doesn't matter, does it? I mean, if I stay where I am, you can go anywhere.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, it worked.
Nice bump into you.
Yeah, it is.